Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the latest buzz surrounding Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6 series. Get ready for an exciting journey ahead. Let's kick things off with a closer look at the specs. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 features an impressive 11.5-inch ultra-large 2.4K display, offering stunning visuals with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by the advanced 6M MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, this device delivers exceptional performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or streaming your favorite content. When it comes to storage, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 doesn't disappoint. With options for up to 24 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM, you'll have ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. Say goodbye to storage limitations and hello to seamless multitasking. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! Equipped with a powerful 50-megapixel Samsung rear camera, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 captures stunningly detailed and vibrant images. From scenic landscapes to memorable moments with loved ones, every shot is sure to impress. Now let's talk about battery life. With its generous 8800 mAh battery and 33-watt fast charging support, you can enjoy extended usage without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're working, gaming, or binge watching your favorite shows, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has you covered. But that's not all. Running on the all-new Dokios P 4.0, based on Android 13, this device offers a seamless, intuitive user experience. With 1080p Widevine L1 support, you can enjoy high-definition content with crystal clear clarity. And here's the cherry on top. Introducing PC Mode 2.0. Transform your device into a productivity powerhouse, seamlessly switching between tablet and PC mode for maximum versatility. As a special bonus, Samsung is offering a free stylus pen and tablet protector, unlocking new possibilities for creativity and productivity. Now let's talk about the price. To celebrate the launch, Samsung is offering a massive 50% off promotion from March 17th to March 27th, bringing the promoted price down to just $199. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has something for everyone. Elevate your mobile experience today. Thank you for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, happy exploring.